welcome back. It's Saturday, which means it's spray day, and that's what we're doing. We're currently spraying pumpkins, and then we're going to move on and spray some corn. This week we started corn harvest, which went pretty well. So far so good. We just got us a good little start, and we've got a long way to go, but we sold all the corn we picked. We've got quite a few orders lined up for early next week already, so it's been very popular. We've been moving along, in other words. It's checking out my neighbor's corn here as I drive by. It's that time of year. I'm tired, I guess you can tell. But anyhow, we're into the routine now of picking and spraying, picking and spraying, spraying and picking. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. We've got some corn going to push us. That very first planting, because it was late, kind of throwed the timing off on everything. So we'll need to finish that patch up probably Monday and Tuesday, and then start on planting number 2, because it will be ready by that time. And then of course planting number 3 is going to be right behind it. Then I think we're going to have a little bit of break before we get to planting number 4 here. And that's something you run into when you're planting. You do your best to space it out based on the maturity, but the weather can affect that enough to make your life hard. But as long as we can sell it, I don't mind too bad. It's when we get more than we can sell bunched up on us is when it gets bad. So you know, that's part of it. But I'm gonna get off here and get back to spraying pumpkins, and we will talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, we're spraying corn now. Done a video the other day on about making the money in the sweet corn, you know, talked a little bit about that. And really and truly, that video covered about anything you grow or raise. It's that is the nature of farming. Sometimes you can make some money, sometimes you can lose some money. But it's that video seemed to get a pretty big response, and but you know, that's what you run into, particularly in the produce business. Now to my left is the prettiest patch of corn that I've got to date. It's probably a foot taller than this right above it, and it had warmed up when I planted this down here, and I got the weeds under control. This patch above me is pretty weedy, and I don't like weedy corn, so, but it is what it is. But spraying the pumpkins there earlier, I've talked before about how I mix different fungicides and different insecticides, and what I'm trying to do is get layers of protection for that crop. You know, there's not a lot we can control on the market sometimes, but trying to grow the best crop we can do some things to help out with that. But we'll get we'll get a picture of this corn down here below me in a minute. It's like I said, it's a pretty patch of corn. So I'm gonna get off here and get back spraying. We'll take you guys along. Okay, that's planting number 2. This is planting number 3. It's about a week, 10 days behind that other one. And that corn's about 8 foot tall. That is a pretty patch of corn. It's even. We got good ears set. And this is when you got to kill the worms in corn, right now. Because the moth will lay the egg in these silks, and we're trying to kill them before they can hatch. But this is a very pretty patch of corn. I'm very pleased with this patch of corn. But the other patch ain't bad. It's just it's got little weeds in it, and it's gonna be a little meaner to pick. But we should start on hit this week. So let's get this finished up and get home and get a shower. So here we go. this up. This is the last I've got to spray today, and then I'll be done for the day. Get you guys straightened up there. But yeah, we're moving along. So far it's been a pretty good year. Anything can happen at any time, but so far so good. Haven't put up a video in a day or two. I've been picking corn and picking corn. So our pumpkins are blooming good. First patch is, second patch is just starting to. So they're starting to come on. I've also got some cabbage coming, and there is 2 new things on the farm operation. One is mine and one is my farming partner. We'll get videos on those at some point. But if you like what we're doing, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, so you'll know when we put up a video. If you see a video you like, give it a thumbs up button. If you have a question or a comment about a video, please do so. I'm gonna get off here and finish my spraying and go get myself a shower. So until next time, everybody take care of themselves. We'll talk to you later. Bye.